Meet Sally. Sally is an employee for a company called Yogurt Farm. Throughout her years of working for the company, she has learned that she's able to obtain many rewards, such as a monthly bonus for meeting her sales goal. At the beginning of each year, Sally is also able to receive a 5% increase on her hourly rate as another form of bonus. Sally is also rewarded with paid time off. She is able to use this paid time off on her vacations or on any day she wishes to have for herself. Another great reward Sally's job offers is one free stock of the company each year. Sally's company, Yogurt Farm, rewards her with many prizes that are worth money. The types of rewards Sally gets are called monetary incentives. Her incentives are classified as monetary because they are all cash rewards. More or less.
Alright, everybody. Meet Steve. Works at a company called Zoogle. At Zoogle, Steve is able to earn rewards such as discounts to select gym memberships. He's also able to earn extra days off, so vacation time. To specify, it's not paid, so it's just vacation time that he can use at his leisure, so long as he reaches his sales goals. He is also able to obtain free childcare at his work during his work hours, so long as he reaches 40 hours each week. And he is also able to reach out and schedule one-on-one mentoring with leadership within his company. Here he can receive motivation, advice, coaching, support, among other things. Alright. Steve's job, Zoogle, offers many benefits, some of which we have already gone over. Most of these benefits are considered to be non-monetary incentives, meaning they're rewards that Steve can receive so long as he completes the requirements, such as sales goals or hours worked within a week, in order to keep him full-time for things such as the free childcare and also the discounts at the gym membership. The incentives / benefits that we have gone over are considered non-monetary incentives because they do not directly reflect a cash reward.